Hello, in this video we will solve Natas 22. So on logging in, we can see that the web page is completely blank and only contains a view source code button. So since we don't have many options, we'll check the source code. The source code is again a PHP program, and at the top we can see that there is a function which starts a new session and checks if there is a value in the get cookie. The get cookie is used to collect data from another file if a get method is used to send the data. It is also used to collect the data sent in the URL. Hence, if we want revalue to be present in the get cookie, we can append \revalue at the end of our URL. Then the function checks if the admin key of the session cookie is set to 1 or not. If it is not set, it calls the header function. The header function is an inbuilt function that is used to send a raw HTTP header to a client. Basically, an HTTP functions allow you to manipulate information sent to the browser by a web server before any other output has been sent. It must be called before sending any actual output, either by normal HTML tags, blank line in a file, or from a PHP file. The web page actually has only one function which is at the bottom of the source code, which only checks if there is a value in the get cookie. And if present reveals the password for Natas23 to get the password, we'll have to access the web page before it is redirected with the header. For doing this, we'll use the Burpsuit software as done till now. Open Burpsuit, create temporary project, open this website using the Burpsuit proxy, and log in using the Burpsuit browser. Add a revalue at the end of the URL. So we'll add question mark revalue and search. So after this website is open your Burpsuit, go to the HTTP history in the proxy subtab. Go to the point where you can see that there is a revalue in the URL. Scroll down, and as we were able to see the response before it got redirected to this site, we can see that we have the password for Natas23.